Hello friends, today we discuss on Oracle purchase requisition. Today's agenda is why we require requisition, type of requisitions, requisition approval process. So first, purchase requisition. Requisition is used at a time of buy product, services and raw material from supplier. Let us take an example. For the manufacturing company, if he produce a chemical, for producing that chemical product, he required some ingredient. For buying that ingredient from the supplier, he create a requisition to supplier. So against that requisition, supplier can provide that ingredient to the company. Purchase requisition is also known as indent. Requisition has been raised by the respective requester whom having a material requirement. There are different type of item, there are different requisition process. For the raw material type, requisition has been raised by planner. For the engineering and service item, requisition has been raised by respective engineers who is having material requirement from common login. It is a EBS common login. For level item, there is a no requirement to create a requisition. We can direct create a purchase order by using buyer login. For such emergency cases, we also not required to create a requisition. We can directly create a purchase order. Type of requisition. There are two type of requisitions. One, internal requisition. Second is purchase requisition. We discuss one by one. Internal requisition. Internal requisition are supplied from internal sales order. Let us take an example. One manufacturing company have two different depot in one state. Let us take an example. Gujarat, that company have Ahmedabad and Surat, that two different depot. We have required product at Ahmedabad location, but the product is not available in Ahmedabad. So what's happened? We move the product from Surat depot location from Ahmedabad depot location. For that matter, we have create internal sales order. For the internal sales order, we have required to create an internal requisition. By using that internal requisition, we create internal sales order. So internal requisition are not pick up when you auto create a request for quotation or purchase order. Generally, we use the internal requisition transaction when material to be sent to depot in a sales. So this is a internal requisition process. Second, purchase requisition. Purchase request is a generally when we buying a product, when we buying a raw material, when we buying a service item from the supplier, at a time it come in picture. At a time we create a purchase requisition. For creating a purchase requisition, we have required some mandatory parameters. Example, operating units, item quantity, destination type, organization, location, source type. These all are the parameters we have required at a time of create a purchase requisition. Requisition approval process. After creating the requisition, there is a requirement to send that requisition for approval process. Once the requisition has been created, then it will follow below approval path. First, if the requisition has been created by EBS common login, then that requisition goes to the approval for the requester. Once the requester has been approved, then that requisition goes to approval for the Oracle standard approval hierarchy path. This approval hierarchy path has been selected at a time of create a requisition. So one by one, when the manager approved that hierarchy manner, then requisition has been successfully completed. And after that, using that requisition, we can create purchase order. So friends, we have discussed that whole requisition process cycle. First, we understand what is a requisition, why we required requisition, type of requisition, requisition approval process. So this is whole functional cycle of purchase requisition. Thank you. Friends, if you really like that video, then please subscribe me.